Having generated over $500,000 in the online space in the past few years with digital marketing, I want to expose you guys to a few websites that will teach you digital marketing for free. Now, digital marketing is one of the most in-demand skills today, and with trends, digital marketing would basically still remain in demand. So if you're a digital marketer or you actually have learned one or two of those skills in the digital marketing space, then basically you are going to be sought after. Now, you know that if you actually want to make money and actually grow and scale your income or build your brand, you need to figure out those skills that will actually keep you sought after in that particular space over a period of time. And this is exactly what digital marketing gets to build for you. Okay, now I've actually had people actually reach out to me and like, oh, I want to get started with learning digital marketing. I want to get started with learning digital marketing. I actually want to see how I can get started with this particular skill and all. And I get to ask them a simple question: what aspect of digital marketing do you want to get started with? Now, you need to know that digital marketing is an umbrella of different programs, of different products, of different courses, right? There are several skills you need to master in order to call yourself a digital marketer, right? Because it is basically when you're able to market with the digital tools that are available for you. And the word marketing involves several aspects or several things you need to put together in order to start achieving results, right? And this is exactly where you need to first of all start with taking some free courses that would expose you to what digital marketing looks like, the several aspects of digital marketing, and even how you can actually get started for yourself. Now, these three websites I want to show you guys right now are websites that will give you access to learning this for free. Right? You can learn and master the basics of digital marketing for free, and this is exactly what I would advise anybody looking at starting out to do first. Learn for free. Don't go and jump into one course or the other, right? Learn with these tools online for free. And when you're able to really, pick out one or two spaces you actually want to, delve in or remain in, then you can now proceed to get courses that are specific. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you all of these places where you can actually learn this for free, and at the same time, these websites have their certificates that are actually recognized, right? They have well-recognized certificates. So even if you take these free courses and you get a certificate, they are being recognized outside there, and you can still get some jobs with this free course. Now, you should watch this video to the very end because I'm still going to be giving you guys some bonus websites that would help you to also scale your income in this particular space. Now, the first website here is Shaw Academy. You see, I started with Shaw Academy. I loved Shaw Academy so much because these guys actually gave me access to learning for free. Now, you can see here on the website, shawacademy.com, build your business, hobby, or career, try for free. Now, here, I actually had a 30-day free trial where I was able to learn and master everything. I was taking these courses for about 3 hours, every day, and within 20 days, I'd finished all of the digital marketing courses, and I even moved on to the next program. Okay, so you can come in here, and once you're in here, all you need to do is to click on the browse courses, and coming over to marketing, you will first of all see that they have access to several programs, from photography to design to business analytics to finance to health and wellness to technology and all, right? So I'm just going to go over to marketing, and you can see digital marketing here. Okay, you can see digital marketing here. It's saying here, oh, we are now upskillist. Wow, this is beautiful, right? So what you basically do is you want to go ahead and sign up. Okay, you want to go ahead and sign up. It says let's move to upskillist. Let's go over to upskillist right now. Okay, and I'm going to go to courses, go over to marketing again, and you can see SEO and digital marketing. So you can see this course here, and with all of the several courses around marketing, right, what you basically want to do is to start taking them one after the other. Like I said, they give you a 30-day free trial, and after the 30-day free trial, right, you have to pay. You have to pay for your subscription, right? But within 20 days, you are able to finish all of the programs, and you already pick what you want to specify on. So instead of paying to just access everything, you are paying for a specific program, and that would help you to scale. Okay. Now, the second website here is called the Google Digital Garage. Now, this is a particular, a program that is organized by Google that will teach you digital marketing for free. Now, all you basically need to do here is to, let's say we click on find your course. And once we click on find your course here, coming over, you can see fundamentals of digital marketing. And this is actually 26 modules of 40 hours. Now I'm going to click on fundamentals of digital marketing, and I can actually get started with learning and mastering what digital marketing is from this particular space. Right now, there are basically 40 hours of this particular program, which basically means that it can take you just 2 days to finish this particular course. But then you want to really, take your time to learn and master everything. I don't really, envy people who watch, courses like it's a movie, right? They want to watch everything. No, this is a course. You take 1 hour program, you sit down, you learn, you try and, practice what you've learned, ask yourself questions and all. But then I even love the way they did this, because you have to answer a series of questions, take some quizzes and all, and at the end you take an exam before you get the certificate. So if you do not get, to the cutoff mark for the after the examination, you won't get certified. You have to retake the exam, so you have to go back taking the courses, take the exam before you can get a certificate with Google Digital Garage. I love this, guys. Yeah, wonderful. So people can actually learn and really, really learn things, not just watch like it's a movie and they run away. Okay. All right, so the next one here is SkillUp, right? SkillUp by Simply Learn. Now, Simply Learn currently just carved out this new, side where they are able to give out free courses to people to be able to learn and master, several basic knowledge that would help them start in tech, right? And coming down here, you can see the several skills from data science, cybersecurity, machine learning, software development, DevOps, cloud computing, and a whole lot of skills. But we're going to go over to digital marketing. And once we click on digital marketing, you can basically see, the several courses on digital marketing here. Okay, this is digital marketing 101, and you want to start learning digital marketing 101, right? To understand the digital marketing at large, the umbrella itself, before you can now delve into any niche. Okay, so all you want to do right now is to sign up, and you can actually, get access to that course. But then I have a link that will give you access to this particular program, and this link I'm going to drop it for you guys in this particular video, in the description. Right, go ahead and use the link in the description of this particular video and access this program for yourself. Click on the link. I'm sure I'm going to leave the link of all of these programs so you can access it in the description of this particular video. Okay. Yeah. Now, beyond these 3 websites, there are a few other websites that actually help me to, up my skills, because this is about learning more skills, and I'm not really keen about getting courses. I would really advise you buy courses, right? But buy courses because you want to scale, or you already understand where you are and you want to go, for more stuff, right? But when you're looking at getting started on the basics, please just use these free online courses. They are the best for you and starting out your journey, right? Another one I did is the HubSpot. I'm going to Google it right now. The HubSpot marketing programs. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah, HubSpot Academy. Thank you. HubSpot Academy. Now, I actually, learned a whole lot from these guys. They have series of courses around marketing that would help you to scale, right? You see, from the CMS to SEO, you can see several inbound marketing optimization, inbound marketing. I actually took a course on inbound marketing. And this basically helped me to up my inbound marketing skills, and this is exactly what I'm currently using right now, to really boost myself. Sometimes I still come back here to take several courses because I want to learn more stuff. For example, I want to currently take the LinkedIn marketing for business course right now, and a few other programs that are here. Okay, you can see here how to attract customers on Facebook, how to create a GDPR strategy, the user buyer personas, tracking your traffic analytics, and a whole lot more. But this is actually you knowing that you should have learned the digital marketing basics first before you can now know what you need to delve into, and you can now focus on getting courses on HubSpot. Also, there's a LinkedIn Academy where you can also see several programs you can actually get started with, and it will help you to scale, right? The basic thing is the fact that that digital marketing is the in thing, and will help you to remain relevant in this particular space. You don't want to die out, right? This world is currently crying innovate or die. You need to keep on innovating and learning new things, upping your skills, so that you don't die out and die into poverty. All right. So this is it, guys. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up right now and share this video to other people so that this year will be soft for every one of us. All right. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel, smash the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my videos. With this, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.